Hey friends, this is Wendy Cannin with Cannin Plannin, and today I'm going to talk to you guys about holiday planning. It's super important that when you go into the holidays or any kind of holidays, birthdays, Christmas, Easter, all those kinds of things, that you kind of go in with a plan. Number one, it's going to keep you from overspending because we're going to set a budget. Number two, we're going to spend some time really putting together our thoughts and what do we want to do during our holiday? Are we creating memories? Are we creating experiences for our friends and family? What is it that we are doing during this holiday planning session for whatever experience it is that you are planning for? So today I want to take you into holiday planning. I'm going to walk you through Tula XII's inserts, the ones that I like to keep in my holiday planner, and the things that I think that you can get the most benefit from. So let's take a look. All right, friends, welcome to our holiday planning. This is the new holiday cover for Tula XII for the holidays in 2023. It's called the Fa La La cover. It's got pinks, teals, navy blues, grays, mints, and all kinds of fun white. There is the beautiful red spine that you can see. I've also got mine decked out with the mint present charm. And we're just going to hop in and talk about some of the things that you can see happening right here in the holiday planning. So if you grab one of the bundles, you're going to see that you're going to get a couple of things. One, in the bundle, you're going to get both sets of washi tape. So here is the Fa La La and the Hollyberry washi tape. I just have those stuck on a washi card, which comes with the bundle if you purchase it. You'll also get, if you grab one of the bundles, especially the planning bundle, you will also get this beautiful 3 set of paper clips. So one of them is a star. One of them is a Christmas tree, and the other one is a Santa hat, okay? And I'm going to walk you through each of these beautiful inserts and all of the things that are included in them. You will notice that I've already started my holiday shopping, and I have receipts tucked into this first pocket. It makes it really handy to be able to have them available if I need to do returns or anything like that. So let's start with holiday planning. One of the other things that you'll see that comes in the holiday bundles, there are 3 different options if you choose them, are these mini tabs. They are already labeled for you, and they coincide with many of the pages in both our holiday planning guide and our shopping and gifts guide. So let's walk through and see some of the things that you can find inside of our holiday planning. On the first page is a countdown. You can use mini stickers, you can use dots, you can color them. You can do squares, all kinds of fun things to do a countdown for the holidays. The next couple of pages, you're going to find a holiday movie list as well as a Christmas bucket list. All fantastic things for you to create memories with your family. There is a 12 days of Christmas, opportunities for you to do all kinds of things. We actually, as a team this year, are doing 12 days of kindness, which is going to be a lot of fun. And we look forward to being able to participate in those. So be watching for that from the Harmony Heroes. There's also essential shopping list as well as holiday card ideas. Are you making your own cards this year? And you can make your card mailing list. Perfect for getting all of those things ready. The decorations pages are great if you want to take advantage of those after Christmas sales and spend some time doing some shopping with a big discount, right? We all love those after Christmas sales. And you can track which decorations you might need to replace, maybe light bulbs, Christmas lights, all those kinds of things that you want to add. There's also a fun place for you to do family traditions. Our family does Elf on the Shelf, and this is where our Elf on the Shelf plans live. We like to put Sorry about that. On the next page is our Christmas Eve dinner. So our holiday menu planning, fantastic place for you to do all of your menus. Do you feed a lot of people? Are you hosting this year? What does that look like? And a couple of pages for that. And then also some grocery shopping pages so that you can do your grocery shopping as well. On the next pages are if you are traveling for the holidays, where are you traveling? Do you need to bring anything? And are there gifts that you need to get along the way? So that is our holiday traveling. There's several pages for holiday traveling as well. Then cookie making list. Friends, cookie making is one of the things that our family loves to do during the holidays. Cookies are an easy gift to make. Plus, spending time making cookies is a great memory that you can do with your kids, grandkids, or any of your friends and loved ones if you get together and do holiday baking sessions. So cookie making list. Also, if you do crafts, I'm a big crafter, so this is a project insert. If you like to do all kinds of crafting projects, this will help you get planned for those as well. And then on the last page of this particular insert is a place for you to write your thank you cards. This is a great habit for your kids to get into. Excuse me, as they are preparing for growing up and doing the most responsible things, right, is to say thank you for the cards and gifts that they receive. So there is a place for you to be able to make and send out thank you cards, create a list, and then you know who to be giving those thank you cards to. In the next insert is our shopping and gifts. You're also going to see that I have started my holiday shopping as well. The first page is a place for you to create your holiday budget. How much money are you willing to spend through the season? This is a great way for you to track those things. If you keep this from year to year, you kind of know what your budget is going to look like on a yearly basis. It's a fantastic way for you to be able to spend time really thinking about what kind of gifts you want to give, who you want to be giving gifts to, and then what that budget is going to look like. On the next pages is Black Friday shopping. There's a couple of pages for Black Friday shopping. And then we go into Cyber Monday. Where are you going to be purchasing your gifts from? Online, in store, all of those fun things. So a couple of pages for the Cyber Monday and holiday shopping. And then we get to the order tracking. If you are ordering things online, this is a great way for you to track where you ordered from, what item you ordered, if you shipped and if it was received. It gets a little crazy during the holiday times for you to be tracking all of those things. The next pages are going to be gifts by person. If it's broken down into 4 pages, if you are kind of like me and you have lots of gifts to buy because you have a small family, then you can take this out. Just go ahead and use some whiteout and then some washi tape right over the top of it. And it allows you to be able to extend this for the full length of the page. So there's a couple of pages for gift list by person. And then if you do coworker gifts or teacher gifts, there's a special place for you to be able to write those down. And if you do donations, you can do that as well. So what organization are you giving to? What are you giving, or what amount are you gifting to? And then you can check those off and use them for your tax purposes. And then on the last couple of pages is stocking stuffers. I don't know about you guys, but we get a little carried away with our stocking stuffers. Excuse me. And that makes it so that we have to actually keep a list, because sometimes we come up with more items than what we can actually fit in the stocking. So a good way to track that is to go ahead and write out a list of the things that you are getting in your stocking. All right, the next insert I have to share with you guys is Advent coloring. This is one that we had last year, and we are bringing it back this year. And it is a coloring page for every day leading up to Christmas. So there is first through, some of them are double page spreads, all the way up to the 25th, which is Christmas. Lots of fun pages for you to decorate and color. One of the inserts that I do not have available right now is the kids' holiday planning. This would be another fun one for you to get. It is similar to our holiday planning guide, but is for kids. They can make their wish lists. There is a place on the back for them to write their letter to Santa Claus. You can cut that out and you can send it to Santa. It's a fantastic way to get your kids involved in getting excited. They have their own countdown page, all kinds of fun things for you to be able to do with your kids, including cookie making and all kinds of fun stuff. The last insert that I included is a recipe insert. I actually have it covered up because it is an old pattern from a couple of years ago. This is one that I keep in our holiday stuff. I actually made a insert cover to be able to keep it with the theme for this particular holiday season. But inside of the recipe insert is a place for you to write what the recipe is, where it's from, how many it serves, your rating, prep time, all of those fun, amazing things, and then the actual directions for the recipe. This is always a fun one to include, especially if you only make a certain recipe during the holidays. It's a fun way to incorporate that and keep it right into your holiday planning. One of the things that I absolutely love about using a holiday planning like this is that you can actually create your memories right inside of the inserts themselves. Another fun one that you can grab that is perfect for the holiday season and for you to be able to spend time with is the storyteller insert. And the reason why the storyteller insert is perfect for a holiday planner is because you can create your memories, scrapbook them right inside of the pages of your holiday planner. And then you can look back on this year after year after year and be able to see all of the amazing things that you did with your family throughout the holiday season. I hope that you have enjoyed going through our holiday planner with us today. Make sure that you take some time to put together your holiday planning, whether you are doing it for Christmas, Hanukkah, if you are spending time for birthdays, anniversaries, all of those fun kind of things. You can put together something very similar, making sure that you spend time putting some plans in place, because then you can keep yourself on track on what things need to take place and when. Again, this is Wendy Cannin with Cannin Plannin. If you enjoyed some of the things that I shared with you guys today, please feel free to share this out. Hope you have a fantastic holiday season, and I'll see you all soon. Bye, friends.